Alright guys, just got a delivery from a gentleman named Alan Abbott. He's on Facebook on one of the shoebox pages. I can't remember which one exactly I found this on, but I was going to hold off on this. This is going to be another video. I'm still doing the wiring. You all know what it is. Headers. Coated headers. 2 Smitty glass packs, which I'm not running. Those are for sale. $40 a pop if anybody wants them. Two chrome pencil tips. Both head pipes from Reds. Header bolts. Hangers. Flange gaskets. And clamps, which I'm not using. Whole setup. $350. $66 to ship. The headers alone cost over $500 when you get them coated. Deal of a lifetime? I think so. So this will be a future video. Beautiful, aren't they? Like I said, I didn't plan on doing it right now. I was going to run the car for a while with the single exhaust, but this is a deal I couldn't pass up. I mean, this whole setup for just the price of the muffler or the headers. Can't beat that. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more wiring videos because I'm going to the back of the car next. Then the dash. Then this.